Christine, and I'm here to chat to you about studying equine as a part of your VCE. We offer the Certificate 3 in Equine Studies here at GoTAFE, which is a qual that you can undertake over a 2-year period. Now, the awesome thing for you guys is that you can actually start it in year 10 and do it over years 10 and 11, or 11 and 12, and it can contribute towards your ATAR at the end of you completing that qualification over the 2 years. So subjects that we look at within that qualification are equine nutrition, physiology, behaviour, handling horses safely, occupational health and safety, mares and foals and the whole breeding process. And we also have a look at the health and welfare of horses and their equine anatomy as well. So you'll cover that over the 2 years that you undertake the qualification with us. Now, our delivery is online, with your assessment items being able to be done online through readings and through webinars, but then we get you guys actually to come in to GoTAFE and to make use of our awesome facilities here to undertake your practical aspects. And these workshops are a really great chance for you to be able to network with the other students. At the end of the day, if you guys go on, complete your qualification and go to work in the industry, then you would have already networked with people that will be out working in the industry with you in the years to come. So it's just a great opportunity to come here to get to know the other students, to meet with your teachers and to be assessed on your practical. And let's face it, you can work with horses almost anywhere around the world. So this is a great way to tie in your passion for horses with your studying with VCE and to have it contribute towards your ATAR as well. If you're undertaking equine with us here at GoTAFE, at the end of the 2 years, there's a chance to take part in the VCE equine exam, and that will contribute towards your ATAR. So if you're a VCAL student or you don't want to sit the exam, that is a possibility too, but it can definitely count towards your VCE score. And once you've completed that, the Certificate 3 in Equine Studies can actually be a pathway to further education if you want to go on to do a diploma or a degree, for example, or to get into university. Then undertaking the Cert 3 in Equine with us as a part of the VCE subject can just be a way to open the door to further study.